careful. So delta G by G into 100, that is what our percentage error in G, we have to find it, how much it is. See, exam, you will never get this much time. You have to solve very, very fastly. So now we have already done powers. How to write this one? Tell me. Delta G by G is equals to, everybody. Let me take delta G by G is equals to, what it will come? 4 pi square is a constant. Then what will come? 4 pi square is a constant. Then what else is there?
By T.
Tell me. Delta L by L. Next plus T square is there. So 2 into, tell me fast. Delta T by delta T by T. Clear? Any doubt in this? All of you understood, Amma?
Sir.
Yes. Now, observe very carefully. We people got at the beginning, you have to remember and you have to tell me. We got it. One oscillation is equals to, we have to see 20 oscillations is equals to 30 seconds. One oscillation is equals to what? One oscillation is equals to what? We have done that. 30 by 20, which is equals to how many seconds? 3 by 2 seconds. So, and you might be studied that time taken to complete one oscillation. One oscillation only we used to call as, what we used to call? Time period. Is it yes or no? Yes, Rudreshwar? So, yes or no? So time period T is equals to, what is that? Everybody can tell me formula? So time period T is equals to number of oscillations divided by time given. Is it right or wrong? Total time. Everybody see that. 20 oscillations is equals to how many seconds, Amma? 20 oscillations is equals to how many seconds? 30 seconds. Now, one oscillation is equals to what seconds? Everybody? 30 by 20 seconds. That is what? 30 is a what? Time. So the time period is equals to total time given divided by total number of oscillations. Is it right or wrong, Rudreshwar? You understand? Because we all knows n oscillations is equals to t seconds will take means. Then what is the one oscillation? Time taken to complete one oscillation, how much, guys? Tell me fast. You understood or not? Can I repeat once again? See that they have given in the question 20 oscillations is equals to 30 seconds. Now I want time taken to complete one oscillation. One oscillation, how much it will come? Everybody. You understand or not, at least you
Number
say
of oscillations.
explain myself. Otherwise, simply you're sitting like a dumb fellows, what is going to happen? They are giving 20 oscillations is equals to 30 seconds. Then one oscillation
By 20 oscillations.
30 by 20 seconds. Means what? If I take instead of 20 oscillations, I am taking as a n oscillations. Instead of 30 seconds, I am taking as a t seconds. Then time taken to complete one oscillation, how much it is? Everybody?
T by N.
T by n. Is it clear? Everyone?
Yes.
So I can
Yes,
say
sir.
T is equals to T by n. Is it Esra, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
But here you see, we want what actually? We want what actually? Delta T by T. Is it right or wrong? Is it right or wrong? Yeah. So that is you should understand. So now I want delta T. So if I both the sides I will multiply with the delta T. Delta T is equals to this side what will come? Delta T divided by n. Delta T divided by n. Now, can you tell me what do you mean by n? N means what? N is equals to what? Anybody can tell me?
Number of oscillations.
Number of
Number of
oscillations.
oscillations. So number of oscillations, can you tell me what is the formula? The number of oscillations means what? So we all people know T is equals to T by L. Now, observe very carefully. We want delta T by T. Now we have only here delta T. I want delta T by T. Means what I have to do, Rudreshwar? I know T is equals to T by N. I want delta T by T. Now what I have to do? Anybody? I am having only delta T, but I want delta T by T. So what I have to do? Both the sides we can do something so that remains the equation will be same. Anybody? Mathematics, if suppose I am having only x and but I want x by y, then what I can do? Both the sides I can divide with the same y. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
Yes, same way now in the given format I am having only delta T by T I am having, but here I have only delta T. So I want to make it delta T by T. Then what I should do? Anybody?
By T.
I want to divide both the sides with a t. Is it okay, Ra? Pradosh?
Sir.
Yeah, then delta t by t, which is equals to delta t divided by n divided by, what do you mean by the capital T? We have just now written. What does it mean by T, capital T? Means what?
T by N.
T by n. So I will write this one means delta t by n into this one will become n by delta n by t. So tt will get cancelled. So I will say delta capital T divided by t is equals to what will come? Delta small t divided by
T
small t.
by.
Is it right, Pradosh? So this is the most
Yes,
important
sir.
thing which you have to remember it. So many questions, NEET questions, you will be getting this one. So this one you understood or not, I want to know. Otherwise, once again, I'll repeat it. We all people knows number of oscillations is equals to time, t seconds. Then one oscillation, time taken to complete one oscillation is equals to t by n seconds. Is it okay, everybody? So this time taken to complete one oscillation only what we is to call, which is known as
Time period.
Period.
time period. So we will get t is equals to t by n. But we want what? Delta t. So delta t divided by t we want. So I am making delta t divided by t. That is what fractional error. Fractional error. Is it okay, Rudresha? Fractional error. This side delta t divided by n divided by t. So we all know t is equals to what? T by n. If I substitute t is equals to t by n, n will get cancelled. We will get delta t by t is equals to how much will come, guys? Delta t by t is equals to what will come? Delta small t divided by
Small t divided by small.
okay. So now in place of delta t divided capital T divided by capital T, I can write delta small t divided by small t. Can I write it around? Yes,
sir.
all of you? That's all it is. So delta G divided by G is equals to delta L divided by L plus 2 into, here what I can write, guys? Delta T, delta small t divided by T. Any doubt anybody can ask? Is it okay? All of you? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So now can you tell me what is the delta T? What is the watch least count? Can you tell me? What is the watch least count, Pradosh? What is the watch least count? Why?
0.1 second.
Hey, watch, not the scale.
Second, sir.
1 second means that is only delta T. Is it as Rudreshwar? So delta T is equals to 1 second, least count. Then what is the meter scale delta L? Delta L, what is the least count here?
0.1 centimeter.
0.1 centimeter. Then substitute it. That's all you'll get the answer. So percentage error we want. So delta G by D into 100, which is equals to, what is the delta L value? Fastly 0.1 divided by L. L means how much, 55 plus, oh sorry, into 100. Into 100, percentage error, into 100 plus 2 into delta T value, how much? Delta T value,
1, sir.
1 divided by T value, how much? Total number, total time,
30.
30 seconds. Total time is
200.
30 seconds into how much, 100. So
100.
that's all. So solve this step, everybody, and tell me the answer, please. What is the percentage error? Aswita, understood or Laksha? Imaginary mind is very, very important. I understand capital T divided by capital T, how I modified into small t by small t. Understood, everybody?
Yes, sir.
Because there is no capital T is given in the question. That is why we are modifying. So this one, if you multiply, you will get 2 by 11. Is it right or wrong? Verify it. Yes, everybody? 2 by 11 will get it. Next, this one, 2 into 100. 200 divided by 30. So I will get cancelled with 3 table. So 3 table, if I get cancelled, will get 20 by 3. Verify it and tell me. Is it right or wrong? Is it right? Yes or no? Then 2 by 11 means 0.181 plus 20 by 3 means 6.66. So both if you add, you will get 6.84 percentage. So 6.84 is a what? Percentage error in what? Z, approximately. So what is the correct answer? Verify it. A, B, C, D. What is the correct answer? Option B. This is actually 3 more, I think 4 more question it is. 4 mark question in 2019 JEE. If you have done correctly, you will get the 4 mark. But if you have done mistake, you will get -1. So actually, this question will be like this only. But now you are first time studying, this much big it will be appears. But actually, when you are practicing, within seconds, even if people can know, you can solve this one if you are very thorough with the concepts. Are you feeling comfortable? Okay. Have you all understood this one? Only the trick here you have to remember delta T by T, capital T, we have to modify it into what?
Delta small by
Because
small
why?
t.
Because watch least count is 1 second. So it is indicating what? Watch least count is 1 second. It is indicating what? Delta small t. And total time for oscillations. How much they have given? Total time for oscillations 30 seconds. That is small t. So small delta t we know. We don't know capital T, capital delta T. That is why we are modifying it. Is it okay, va? Yes, please. All of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah. Now onwards,
Yes.
you can remember. Next question also similar question. So next question also whenever you are getting. So delta T is equals to delta T by N. Then T is equals to, we all know, T is equals to T by N. Directly you have to remember delta T by T means what you can write?
Delta small t by small t.
Is it okay, Rudreshwar? How it will comes, you have to understand. How it will comes, theriyuma theriyada? Yes, that's all. So hope you all understand. So anybody having anything doubt, you can ask me. So this question, what is the answer? Girls,
Option B, sir.
option B. Any doubt you can ask. I think Rudreshwar, what happened? I don't know. Laksha, understood, Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Asmita? Anya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, not. It is not like in 9th and 10th. It has been like very, very tough. Unless you solve, you cannot. So what is the time period? Time period simple pendulum formula. T is equals to, you learn by this time you should know. T is equals to what? 2 pi into root of
L by G.
L by G. We derived also that formula. Remember the brothers? Experimental value, K value 2 pi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. You all should learn that. That's what. Right, next question. Question number 5. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is the period of oscillation. This question is JEE Main 2018. The period of oscillation of a simple pendulum is, what is the formula? T is equals to 2 pi into root of
L
L
by
by
G.
G.
L by G.
Measured value of L is 20 centimeter. Measured value of L is 20 centimeter. 20 centimeter known to 1 mm accuracy. Known to 1 mm accuracy and time for 100 oscillations. Time for 100 oscillations of the pendulum. Rudreshwar, have you joined? Pendulum
Yes,
is
sir.
found to be 90 seconds. So 90 seconds means what? Given TR, capital TR, small TR. Small t. Okay, 90 seconds using a wristwatch of 1 second resolution. The accuracy of determination of G is the accuracy in the determination of JEEs. So this question, JEE main 2018. Okay, Rudreswar. No issues. So you can see here, Rudreswar, before question. Have you understand this delta T by T, capital T by T is equals to delta small t divided by T? You understood or not how it will come? You can divide with the T both the sides. That's all it is. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So then you found it and substitute it, you will get the answer. Nothing is there, see. So they have given wristwatch. What is the least count? Watch least count is 1 second. Means that is delta small t. Clear? And the total times small t is equal to 30 seconds. So if you substitute it, you will get the answer around 6.84. So option is 6.8 is the answer. Okay, Rudreswar?
Okay, sir.
Yeah, that is what. Next, this question. Options are 3%. Let me see who will solve first. Everybody should try. Your own, you have to try. No help at all. You must know what is your answer. At least basic thing you must try by this time. So read the question. They have given t is equals to what? 2 pi root of what? L by g. So we want g. Then both the sides, if you square, you will get it. 2 square is equals to 4 pi square into L by g. So g is equals to what will come? Everybody. 4 pi square L divided by t square. Is it okay, everybody? What are those? I'm not understand. Tell me. Accuracy, yeah. Yenna brothers? Brothers, what do you want? Ask me.
This question,
Nothing, brothers. See, what is the measured value length? L is how much?
20.0.
L is equals to 20.0 centimeter. What is accuracy, brothers? Accuracy means that is only least count. Accuracy means least count. Least count how much, brothers? 1 mm. 1 mm means 0.0.
0.1.
0.1 centimeter. Clear, brothers? Means this is only equals to what? Delta L. Is it right or wrong?
Yes, sir.
That's all. Then what is the watch? 100 oscillations equals to 90 seconds.
96.
100 oscillations is equals to 90 seconds. Same format, brothers. Then 90 seconds is a what? Capital T or small t?
Small t.
And using wristwatch, whose resolution is how much? 1 second. So resolution means what? Least count only. What is the least count?
Second.
Least count is 1 second. Means what it is actually? Delta t. That's all, brothers. Clear?
Sir.
Yeah, then tell me. Delta g divided by g is equals to 4 pi is a constant. Then what will come? Delta L divided by L plus
Delta L.
T square is there. 2 into,
2 into delta t.
delta T divided by T. We all people knows. Delta T is equals to delta small t divided by N. So delta T capital T divided by capital T is equals to what will come? Delta small t divided by delta small t divided by small t. Because as we all know, T is equals to what? T by N. Is it okay, guys? Just now I derived for the previous question. Understood, Laksha, Aswita?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
I can modify it. That's all. So delta L value how much? 0.1 centimeter. L value 20 plus 2 into this one I can write delta small t divided by small t. So substitute it 0.1 divided by 20 into percentage error. So 100 plus next 2 into delta t value how much ra? 1 divided by time total time how much? 90 into 100. So cancel it. So 22s are, sorry, 21s are, 25s are. This one, 10 10s are, 10 9s are. So 20 divided by 9. So that's all you can solve. You will get it. So this one will come 0.5 plus this one 20 divided by 9. 20 divided by 9 means how much? Verified. 20 divided by 9 means
Sir, 2.2.
2.22. So tell me what is the percentage? 7.2.
2.72.
So approximately is equals to how much percentage?
3%.
3%. Because given option there is no 2.72. So what is the correct option?
3.
3%. How many of you understand this question? Laksha?
Yes, sir.
Like last question only. Have noticed it? But this is JEE main 2018 question. That is JEE main 2019 question. Both are similar. Have you noticed it, everybody?
Yes.
Yeah. Understood, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Next. So next onwards, directly I'll send the questions for you people. Around I will send you today's 5 questions. Next, all are very important questions only. So try to solve that questions and finalize your answers. Either you are getting answers or not. But some questions you will get multiple answers. Yesterday we have solved one question. Do you remember multiple answers? Yes, all of
Yes,
you.
sir.
Yeah, like that multiple options will come. So that multiple options also you have to solve. So try to solve. I will send around 5 questions. 5 questions if you solve, then tomorrow we are going to study next concept called as vernier calipers. So vernier calipers. After that we are having screw gauge. These 2 experiments over. That with 2 things over, then directly we will go to the zero error. Zero error concept only. Screw gauge will come. So screw gauge over. This chapter is almost finished. Maximum will by Monday. By Tuesday, we'll try to finish the chapter. Now I will send totally how many questions I said? I'll send 4 or 5 questions. Write the every question in your classwork and try to solve. By tomorrow at any cost, you have to solve the questions with 100% understanding. You are not supposed to see my answer because my answer will be in my pattern. Your answer should be different. You should solve it. I hope now you all are very good. You understand how to solve the questions. Clear, everybody? Yes. So some questions having multiple options also. So I to understand the question and solve it. Okay. So let it be with this. I'll stop and we'll continue from here. Thank you, everybody.
Thank
You
you.
must solve now itself. After that, if you are free now itself, you can go with that. After now itself, I am sending the questions. Thank you all.